Hello students, you are welcome to 6th period class on first PUC mathematics, very important second chapter, that is relations and functions. I think in the previous class we have followed the how to write the given rule form into roster form. That means that how to create, how to present the rule form or set builder form into relation. After finding the relation or after writing the relation, then how to click or how to write down the domain, range and codomain. That means that how to find out the range, codomain, domain just by seeing the relation. So that and all we have practiced in the last class. Today also in this video I would like to extend the same concepts by taking different problems. Children, here I have given the 3 problems homework. The first problem is, see children, so here we have the question that define a relation capital R on the set capital N of natural numbers by capital R is equals to set x comma y such that, so here they are given us the set builder form, the rule, that is y is equals to x plus 5. Children, just by seeing y is equals to x plus 5, you have to create yourself the relation. So as we know all, if I fill in place of x, the value of y is 6, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 9. So that and all you will get the relation, that is y is equals to x plus 5. So here x is a natural number less than 4. Children, here you should take the x values less than 4. I already told you, just I fill in place of x, that is 1, the value of y is 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 5 is 9. That is 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9. So that is what we called as relation. Just by seeing relation, so we have to write down the, what is that, arrow diagram as well as the domain, range, codomain. Just you see the previous video and do yourself, children. I hope you can do yourself correctly, neatly, accurately. So here the second question is, determine the domain and the range of the relation capital R. Children, here you have to determine, here you have to find the range and the codomain and the domain of the relation. So they are given us relation in the form of a rule method, that is x comma x plus 5. It is also very simple, children. So here we should take the numbers, that is x numbers, there belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should take the x numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand, children? Suppose if you take here 0, you will get 5. 1, you will get 6. 2, you will get 7. 3, you will get 8. 4, you will get 9. That's it. 5, you will get 10. So that is what we called as relation. And also another question you have, children, that is write the relation capital R such that x comma x cube. So suppose if you take here 1 cube is 1 comma 1, 2 means 2 cube, that is 8, 2 comma 8, 3 comma 27, 4 comma 64, 5 comma 125. So like that you will get x is a prime number less than 10. So as we know, children, the prime numbers less than 10 are nothing but 2, 3, 4. 4 is not a prime number. Fine. Next 7. That's it. You should not take more than 7. Prime number less than 10. So here x you should take as a prime numbers. Suppose if I take here 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 comma 8. If I take 3 here, 3 cube, that is 3 comma 27. 5 cube, that is 5 comma 125. Children, so like that you should take down the relation. Just by seeing relation, you have to write down the domain, range and codomain. And one more question, that is, if capital A is equals to x comma y comma z, capital A is equals to x comma y comma z and capital B is equals to 1 comma 2, find the number of relations from A to B. From A to B, how many relations will exist? So children, here we have a one direct formula for number of relations from A to B. Number of relations is equals to 2 power n of A cross n of A cross B. Now n of A cross B, so here we will get a 3, here we will get a 2, 3 2s are 6, that is 2 power 6. Understand children? Here the formula is 2 power n of A into n of B. So that also you can take, or otherwise you can take 2 power n of A cross B. N of A cross B is nothing but number of relations from set A to set B. Number of relations from set A to set B is 6, 2 power 6. The value of 2 power 6 is 64. So that means that number of relations from A to B is 64. Children, just you pause the video and you take down the homework problems. Take down the homework problems. Take down the homework problems. Children, next let us do the next problem. So this problem I will do, children. So here we have the question, that is, if capital A is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5, 1 comma, so they are given us 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 and capital B is equals to 4 comma 6 comma 9, define a relation or from A to B. Here we should define the relation. So let us define the relation. The main concept is here, the difference between x and y is odd. We should take the difference between x and y is odd number. So it's very simple, children. Let us write down the relation. If I take here 1, the difference between x and y is odd. So I can take here, so I cannot take here 2. Suppose if I take here 2, see, A number should be 1 2 3 4 5 and B set number should be 4 6 9. I cannot take 2 here. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ. Understand children? I should take here only the set A numbers. If I take here 1 comma 4, again I can take 1 comma 6, I can take 1 comma 9, I cannot take 1 comma 9 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. 1 comma 9 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1ಗೂ 9 ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸು 8 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್. I cannot take. So next let us take 2 comma 4 I cannot take, 2 comma 6 I cannot take, 2 comma 9 I can take, 2 comma 9. Next 3 comma 4 I can take. The difference between 3 and 4 is 1. 3 comma 6 I can take. 3 comma 6 I can take because the difference between 3 and 6 is 3. Again 3 comma 9 I can take. 3 comma 9 also I can take. Oh, sorry. 3 comma 9, the difference between 3 and 9 is, that is 6. 6 is a even number. I cannot take. Again 5 comma 4. 5 comma 4 I can take because 5 and 4 the difference is 1, that is a odd number. Next I can take 5 comma 6 I can take, 5 comma 9. I cannot take 5 comma 9 because 9 minus 5 is a 4, that is a even number. So these are the order pairs. That means that, so maybe order pairs 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 9, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 5 comma 4 and 5 comma 6. So these are nothing but the order pairs. Children, it's very simple problem. I think you should know very well how to do. I hope you are understanding. The difference between x and y is odd. Children, suppose if you take in place of x, that is first order pair, first element. Suppose if you take 1, you can take 4. 1, 4, the difference is 3. Yes, words good. 1, comma 6 you can take, but should not take 1, comma 9, because 1, comma 9, the difference between 1 and 9, you will get even number. Similarly, let us do all the order pairs. Just you pause the video or go back. Go back means video pause ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ. Children, then after that here you should write down the roster. Yes, we have done the roster form. Over. So here domain of R. Domain of R is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 or nothing but domain of R. So here range of R. So range of R is something but 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. Yes. So this is what we called as range of R. And what is codomain of R? Codomain of R is nothing but B set elements, that is 4, 6, 9. See children, so this is what we called as representation of roster form, domain set, range set and codomain set. Children, just you pause the video and take down the notes fastly children. Okay, next I shall take up another problem. Today in this video I would like to complete the relation concept. In the next video I would like to start the functions. Okay children, now I shall take up another problem, that is if capital A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, let capital R be the relation on capital A defined by set A comma B such that A comma B both are belongs to set A. So here the condition is B is exactly divisible. B is exactly divisible by A. Children, here the set B is exactly divisible by A. So here we should write down the roster form. Second one is domain of R. Third one, range of R. The fourth one is codomain. codomain of or. Children, I think it's very simple problem. Children, here we should write down the order pairs which are nothing but set B is divisible by set A. Set B is divisible by set A. It's very simple, children. Let us write down the order pairs. Suppose if I take the first element, that is 1 comma 1, because 1 is divisible by 1. So we can take, because 1 is divisible by 1. I can take 1 comma 2, because 2 is divisible by 1. Every number is divisible by 1. That's why I can take 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5. So yes, here there is no 5. That's why just to skip 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6. Understand, children? So here x is 1, y is 1. 1 is divisible by 1, 2 is divisible by 1, 3 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 1. Similarly, I can take here the order pair elements, that is 2 comma 4, because 4 is divisible by 2. 2 comma 6 I can take, because 6 is divisible by 2. And I can take 3 comma 6. 6 is divisible by 3. See, children, just you see the set A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Just by seeing these elements, you can write to yourself 2 comma 4, because 4 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 2, and 6 is divisible by 3. So then of children, nothing. I cannot take any numbers. So I think that's it. Let me see the answer, children. So here we have got the numbers, that is 1 comma 1, yes, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 2 comma 4. Yes, children, because every number is divisible by itself. That is 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4 and 6 comma 6. So these are the different order pairs which are divisible by second number by first number. Understand, children? So this is what we called as roster form. Makkala artha agta idya? 1 is divisible by 1, 2 is divisible by 1, 3 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 1. Similarly, 6 is divisible by 1. Similarly, so all the second numbers which are divisible by first number. Understand, children? So here all second numbers divisible by first number. So this is what we called as roster form. And we should write down the domain. Domain of or. So domain of or is nothing but in a relation capital or, in a relation capital or, no problem. In a relation capital or, in a relation capital or, the first numbers of order pairs. Order pairs first numbers are called as domain of or. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. They are nothing but domain elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Next, range of or. In a relation capital or, in a relation capital or, the order pairs second elements, the order pair second elements. In a relation capital or, the order pairs second elements. Second elements are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Again, codomain. codomain of R. So codomain of R is nothing but all the elements of second set. All the elements of second set. So here second set is nothing but set A. I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Children, see how simple we have the answers. ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ರಿಲೇಷನನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದ relation in roster form. Just by seeing the relation roster form, we should write down the domain, range and codomain. Understand, children? Just to pause the video and to take down the notes. Okay, children, the last problem in this concept. The last problem, that is, the figure shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. Write the relation. First one, in set builder form. Second, roster form. Third one, domain of R. And range of R. It's very simple, children. So here we have the arrow diagram, that is P, Q. So here P is nothing but first set, Q is nothing but second set. 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. Children, so here we can take, given that, so the elements of P are 5, 6, 7. The elements of Q are 3, 4, 5. Children, so here we should write the given arrow diagram in set builder form. So that is, capital R is equals to x comma y, such that the difference between P and Q is 2. 5 and 3 is 2, 6 and 4 is 2, 7 and 5 is 2. So here we can write easily the difference between x minus y, which is equals to 2. Here x belongs to P and y also belongs to Q. So this is what we called as relation. I can write the relation. So this is what we called as rule form. Now let us write down just by saying the rule form in roster form. That is, x minus y which is equals to 2. 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, see 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 5. Next here, domain of R. It's very simple, children. See, the difference between first set and second set is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. This is what we called as P set and this is what we called as Q set. That's why here we have taken, so let us take this one commonly x and this one commonly y. X minus y is 2. So this is what we called as representation of the given arrow diagram in rule form or set builder form. Just by seeing this rule form or set builder form or the given arrow diagram, we can represent easily the relation, that is 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 5. So these numbers are nothing but domain elements. These numbers are nothing but range elements. All the elements are nothing but codomain elements, as we know all. Domain of R is nothing but 5 comma 6 comma 7. Range of R is nothing but 3 comma 4 comma 5. Codomain. Codomain of R is nothing but all the elements of second set, that is 3 comma 4 comma 5. See, children, so this is the way we are going to represent the answers. I hope you are getting idea. No, not you are getting idea, you have got the idea. Children, just to pause the video and take down the notes. Before that, please practice yourself. Practice yourself. Practice makes mathematics perfect. Please, children, practice yourself the concept of relation and the concept of order pair, Cartesian product, equality of order pair. In the next video, I would like to start the functions, the last concept in second chapter, that is functions. Before that, just you go through the practice, and follow the classes regularly. Complete the notes. Children, others too notes complete ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, work ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. If there is any doubts in the videos, please call to me and please share to me your doubts. So my WhatsApp number is 9141521145. Keep learning, keep practicing your mathematics, that is first PUC mathematics. Thank you, children. Thank you.